Hello and welcome back to Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today my little Chihuahua android is going to be helping me open these 5 Miniverse containers. They should each contain a bird. I used the pinhole method and according to the charts, they should all be birds. These are technically all of the possible options for this specific ball, but like I said, I used the pinholes and I'm pretty sure we got all birds. I unwrapped our first ball and so excited to be correct about this one being a bird. It is the red bird. It's so cute. It came with some eggs, some bedding, and this, which is a birdhouse that we have to put together. It's got a bunch of different pieces. They pop together, but I'm going to use glue. Next up, we have another bird. This one came with some food supplies and peanut butter, but I never use the resin that comes in these kits, just more glue. And of course, a cute little blue birdie. I'm so excited we got the blue and the red. This is the little bird feeder it came with. I will also be using glue to connect it. Sadly, our third pull is a tree, but at least it comes with this really cute vase. We are back on track with our birds. This one is the bird water fountain and it comes with 2 little birds. I like that it's buy one get one free on the birds here. Our final ball was another bird one. It came with 2 things of bird seeds. It also came with the little bird feeder that we get to put together. And of course, our final bird. Super cute. I love the birds in this series. And this is the bird seed feeder thing. I love that it's see-through. To put our tree together, I used some Mod Podge and then I used like actual super glue for all the birds. So this is our finished tree. It's pretty cute, not a bird though. These are our 3 finished birdies. We got our little red bird, love him, and of course our feeding bluebird, and then our super lucky guy on the end because he has the most seeds. I don't even know what kind of bird that is, but his seeds still move in the jar, which I find to be a really cool, I don't even know, feature of the product. The red bird, he's pretty stuck together, but I also think he's cute. They're all really cute. I like that the red bird has his little baby eggs on the inside, and I love that you can see them. We also have our lovebirds drinking from their water fountain. Every bird, I think, was an excellent pull. The tree was even not that bad. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more videos just like this one, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.